Well, hi, welcome to my makeup lesson.
Thank you. I'm very excited. I would really just like to understand how to do my eyes.
This is called Brow Fix. You're
Okay.
gonna brush it up.
Okay.
You are gonna go over the entire lid with this. On your eyelid section, I want you to write step 1, eye primer. So you want to start this outer corner, correct? Yep. This will be the key to blending it really nice. So eyeshadow just falls. It's normal. And clean that up all the way. On your eyelid, write light, smooth, soft, short strokes. Let me see your other side. Okay. So I would apply it so you know that you're gonna extend that up. So tilt your head, wiggle it up. Apple of the cheek right here. God, you look good.
I know. Look at
Yes.
it.